During your time here at UNCG, you won't just be writing papers for classes. You'll also be required to do many new digital media and design assignments, like make a video, podcast, website, or a non-boring slide presentation. I and my staff are here to support you on those projects. Hi, my name is Dr. Vaughn Stewart, and I'm the director of the Digital Action Consultation and Training Studio here at UNCG, although we usually just shorten that to Digital Act Studio, or DAX. DAX is one of the multi-literacy centers on campus, along with the Speaking Center and the Writing Center. And all the multi-literacy centers can help you create better, more effective projects by providing a space for you to get feedback from trained consultants on whatever you're working on. In this video, I will give you a little overview of what the Digital Act Studio can do for you and how it can help you be successful at the G. The primary service that DAX provides for students is consultations on any digital media or design project that you have. Whether it's a PowerPoint, a podcast, a video, a website, a poster, a flyer, social media post, digital photography, or an infographic, we can help you. Our trained consultants provide feedback on how to make whatever project you're working on more effective for the audience that you have. And when our physical space is open, you can have consultations either face-to-face in our space on the lower level of Jackson Library, or completely online using video chat and screen sharing. When you have a consultation, we collaborate with you. We take time to understand your issues, your problems, your skill sets, and then give you guidance to help you improve. We won't do the PowerPoint designing or podcast editing for you, but we will give you guidance to make you a better designer and creator. Booking a consultation is easy and can be done through our online scheduler. Just go to digitalactstudio.uncg.edu/APPT for all the information. When you make your appointment, you'll tell us about the project you're working on, any issues you've had, if it's for a class, and if you'd like us to notify your instructor that you've come to DAX for some feedback. And side note, instructors are usually thrilled that you came to DAX. Our hours are always posted at the top of our website so you can see when we're open for consultations. We do accept walk-ins for face-to-face consultations as long as we have a consultant free to meet with you. As I mentioned before, you can bring in anything composed, presented, or designed digitally and have a consultation on it in DAX. The most common things we see are websites, podcasts, videos, infographics, slide deck presentations, and posters. But I often get follow-up questions about group consultations, when you should bring in a project, and if it has to be for a class. First, we do both individual and group consultations. So if you have a group PowerPoint presentation, you can schedule a time when all members can attend and you can get feedback as an entire group. Second, when to bring in a project. We work at any point in the design process, from initial planning to finishing touches. So there's no barrier or rule about when in a project's life cycle you can bring it to DAX for a consultation. If you're making an ePortfolio website, for example, and have no idea where to start, you can bring it in for a consultation. We can do some brainstorming, talk about design ideas or structure, or platforms you might want to use. If you've already made that ePortfolio and want some feedback about how to tweak it to better showcase your work, we can help you then at the end point as well. Finally, does it have to be for a class? No. You can bring anything to the Digital Act Studio, whether personal, professional, or academic. If you're just doing something for your friends, like having a Harry Potter fan podcast, or if you're creating something professional, like making a website for a small business that you're starting, we can help you with those personal and professional projects as well. To sum up, the Digital Act Studio provides consultations on any digital media or design project that you're working on. We do both face-to-face and online consultations. We do both individual and group consultations. We work at any point in the design process, and we can work on anything personal, professional, or academic. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always visit our website at digitalactstudio.uncg.edu or email us at digitalacts, that's digitalacts, @uncg.edu. I know I speak for all of DAX when I say we look forward to seeing you online or in person soon. Thanks.